What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of 416-876 Jamaica. Yes, people, and today we're in Scarborough. We're at a place called the Bluffs, the Scarborough Bluffs. I want to give you guys a little view of it. So yeah, it looks just like an ocean, people, but best believe it's a lake. So it looks like they're gonna rain the people, but I'm still come out to try to get a vlog because I have work all week. You understand? I said get a vlog off, you know. But yes, my people, this is Scarborough Bluffs. Alright, so I'm go walk and talk to them people. And yeah, make it work, you know, my people. That, you know, I go see if I can get some aerial shots also. I think I have some aerial shots I want to show in it and show you all down here, so look. You understand? So yeah, you come to Scarborough, this is the beach where a lot of people come to. You see the nice white sun, my people. Yeah, man, very nice white sun and thing. You understand? But yes, my people, man, we're back at it again for the next vlog, my people. So today is the headline and the topic. It's about what? The crime rate in Jamaica. I mean, I want that to stop on, you know, people from building your house or your dream house or your Airbnb or your project or investment in Jamaica because the crime rate is so high. And a lot of YouTubers, when I go up on YouTube at morning time, first thing pop up, 3 dead, 6 dead, 10 dead. So them things they kinda discourage all me when I go down the building. Remember I went down there by myself to you know, in COVID time. So you know, so corona lockdown everything. Me there just I go around, I try to find everything also. So I was a lot discouraged because I think that year about 14 or 1,500 people died in 1 year, no people. So that's a lot of discouragement, and I sure know that it's discouraging a lot of you people overseas, right? But what I have to say still, I spent 6 months that time in Jamaica, you know, and nothing ever wrong with me. And I'm telling you, I went to all the bad places, the ghetto. I went to a place called Central Village. Went to Kitson Town, went to Jones Road where I have war right now, went to the train line track in Spanish Town, party with them over there. Whereas I think I went down to by Clarendon. I don't like Clarendon, but I went down by Clarendon, bad areas too. Almond Town, August Town. I went to all of these places, you know, people. And like I said, I was okay, I was safe. Because you know why? I don't mix up with nobody. And the same thing you have to do for yourself. If you go to Jamaica, you know, sit down and mix up with people, brother. And so, right away, you have a problem. You know, you're in a problem. All your own friends, all when you come back, wherever you're from, people, now go back there to show off on them and stuff like that. You understand? If you say you come from Central Village, don't go back in a Central Village. Go sit down and go buy one house over this, sir. You're becoming a target. You understand? You'll become a target. You go buy one gated community house somewhere, man. Simple as that. So don't feel afraid for you. Go invest back in your own country. For our country, you know, people. If you don't have that country, remember, you know, this is the white man country we live in, you know. But them usually call it, you know, America, England, Canada, you know. Same so, you know. And I just how born and grow. Any day they can take you your visa or take away your green card or take away all your citizenship. All depends how much problem you get in a certain countries. Them revoke back all your citizenship where you think you live there, so you know. And where them are going to send you back? Right back at your yard. You understand? So you have to look for all of them things and don't make the crime rate stop way. From going back to our own place. We need to get back our country, man. From these busters, me nah lie. Nah lie, my people, because it's tough, man, people. It's tough. You have your own country and you're afraid of living in your own country. You understand? But our next topic too again, people. Look on the YouTubers down there, the entertainers, business people. You don't see nothing wrong with them. And mostly are the garrison them. People that drop like fly. But I guarantee you, me nah say a mistake might not happen and somebody try to rob you as a foreigner or as a or you are someone that live in a gated community and you go somewhere, someone probably try to rob you. and you might get shot here or there. But how much time in once in a blue moon that might happen? But I guarantee you though, if you go down there, say you come from foreign now, and you go down there, go and sit down and chill with say Spraga, you go straight your virgin Spraga, because you come from foreign and Spraga live a Alman town or August town, and you want to sit down pan block with Spraga and Spraga bad man, and people might go start pointing you out. I saw you come a target. You understand? Because you sit down and chill with Spraga, probably just kill a man around the corner a couple of weeks ago, and people are look for him and him not tell you none of them things there. But you go and sit down with him because you come from foreign, you think everybody and anything is cool. You understand me? I try to say? And I saw a whole heap of foreigners lose them life because them sit down and in around bad company. When I go down them people, I stay far away from people, them people. Simple as that, you know. If you know, say, you can't deal with the ghetto people, bro. There's a lot of vacation, not vacation, a lot of tourist area that's in Jamaica that where you can't go in, my people. A lot of tourist area, you know. Go to Ochi Race then, go to Portland then. Go some part in Mobile, some part of Kingston. You understand? You can if you know what, you have the AC hotel downtown Kingston, uptown. Right? You book the AC hotel, I guarantee you don't even have to leave that place, you know. You can order your food come to you. You can sit down at the pool and you have your friends them when you invite there. And don't have to leave there. And I'm telling you, you'll be safe. You understand? Depends on how much pocket money you have, because remember the AC hotel one night about $300 now, you know. So all them things that you have to look into. Right? As a return resident, if you come back and just want vibe, right? And next case again now, people. Building. Don't make these people stop, you know, from coming back to go buy a place or build a place, man. God no. I know crime rate wicked and tough. Crime rate wicked and tough a lot of places. But from you not going to you can't go to Jamaica and go. So you go build in a violent community. That not gonna make no sense after you invest $5 million to buy the piece of land, and then one next couple millions now to start building and stuff like that. And then boom, boom, boom. The community get so bad. You're scared now. You have to try to sell by the piece of land for nothing at all because it drives down the value of your land wickedly because of the violence. You understand? So all of them things I know, you know, people, you have to look and do your research. But now you have to do your research on the community them now, because you don't know what is what, and you can't go buy a land in a violent community and you say you try to build a Airbnb there, or even a family house. It's just not going to work, because you're going to be scared to drive go into that community. You understand? Some people, when you go to Jamaica and you go look for land, drive around, man, check out the community and make sure everything goes. Before I bought that land, I ask all of the information. When is the last time someone died here? When is the last time you guys hear gunshot here? How does this place work? Everything. When I get the info, the guys like Jay, the most people who live up here is soldiers and police and doctors and nurses. And most of the bars that you see around here, those are owned by soldiers and police. So there's not really a lot of crime. Man, so the last time someone died here, that person got sick. And the last time someone got shot there in that community was probably 5-6 years ago. You understand? So all of them stuff here you have to check out. Because like me say, you can't just go buy anywhere, people. You can't just go buy anywhere. It's not going to work out. You understand? Let me go and look at more view of this place though, my people. Yes, my people. So again, this place is called Scarborough Bluffs. I might go walk over upon the park area just because the video are only 9 minutes right now. I want it to be a little bit longer. So we talk some more, man, my people. But right, so with them, man, this is called Scarborough Bluffs. You can just come and enjoy your time. Like a nice evening like this right now, about 5-6 o'clock right now, my people. People them just done work and them just want to come chill out with friends. And that's what a lot of people normally do. Because like I said, you lock up all winter time, you know, my people. So I know you want to just come and enjoy yourself and live a little life. You buy your one juice and beat with your bridging them and chill and listen to your music and thing. And I same thing. You can do a Jamaica too. Evening time come, you don't work, you got else, you go build back. Don't sit down in a no bad man community or no violent area or violent people around, you know. And get up, man. Go have fun. You understand? One life you have to live in, my people. One life. So right now we are walk over the park side. I want to see if I can reach around the lighthouse side they have here. Like I said, this is Scarborough Bluff, and this is in Scarborough, Ontario. Toronto, see them, you know, people. Okay? But yeah, this is the one giving an update on the violent side of building. If anything, you're scared. Don't make the violence make you scared, man. Like I say, you do your research and you go out there and go look for a land. You know, if you know what you can do to. If you don't even want to build, you buy a gated communal house. Put more of a lot of them. St. Catherine's building a lot of them. St. Mary have some now. I think they start building some in Portland, St. Thomas, all over the island. You understand? All over the island of crime. And all over the island, they might build up gated communities. So if you want to be more safe and protected, I would say buy a gated community house that you know you're going to be feeling happy in. And yeah, you know you're your family safe. But a gated community house don't make you safe same way. Because if you go think you're going to do something outside of that gated community, then I'm going to lay away at you. Yes, my people. Them are going to lay away at you. Because you must live a gated community there. And that may make you know. You understand? So, if you know, say, you're going to do people things and stuff like that, better you not come to Jamaica, none at all. Because none of any part of Jamaica somebody can find you. Because it's not safe. So you just know, say, if you're a God well-being person or a good-hearted person, you just do the right thing, man. You do the right thing and you can live anywhere, you know, people. Anywhere you can live in Jamaica, from here, you just do the right thing. But now, so sometimes, stuff not happen, and you might get caught up with bad company or bad environment or bad places. But it's not all the time. It's not all the time. You understand, my people? So that's what you have to look out for also. Yes, man. Now go now one break still, no people. Soon we're back in a second. Yes, we people, and we're back here, my people. And yeah, man, my people, like I said before, just do your research before buying a land, buying a house. And that's all you have to do. And don't go back down to the country, people. Go show off on people down there, people, because you're going to build up a 5-bedroom wall house, big and mansion you go build up. And then you say you're going to get to go build all that, my people. And then when you look beside there, a man will have a look out. Board house or 1-bedroom, what can't even stand up good yet. I remember, you know, in the country, you know, are them same people there will break into your house and rob you. You understand? I say every community is like that, you know. But I not take the chance and I not take the risk. If go build, you know, no ghetto, we're not good. I tell you that straight. I'm not taking the risk. If you get up, go build, no ghetto people. I don't know if you take a risk too. Because people can switch like fly. Just like that, you know, my people. So don't take the risk. And I said, no man, this is where I come from, nothing not going to do me. You never know what you do, John Paul or Harry. You can live there for 30, 40 years. And you take it there one moment. You have somebody to just sketch up in an argument. And boom, you're flat out, dead or ground. You understand me, people? So you know a mistake I make that happen to you. You understand? So like me say, don't watch the crime rate in Jamaica. So you're not involved or doing anybody nothing, you can live a good life. You know, see, you have some people in Jamaica, my people, we never been to no ghetto yet in their life in Jamaica. You have some people I meet uptown. Them say them never go downtown in their life. Or must say one time alone them ever go downtown and drive past it for go to airport. Yes, my people. Yeah, people like that in Jamaica will never go one ghetto yet. Then they associate themselves with them type of people too. That's why you put it in the classist bracket right now. I think they're better than people. But I don't think people are better than people. I don't want an argument, no. Simple as that. Because I see them say them kiss up to no blah blah blah. Like me say, they say no, when you once you can't give them no more, them see man turn upon you and name you. You understand? So, you know how I do that, my people. Just do your research and make sure you know where you're building, where you're buying, and where you lay your head at night time. You understand? Because rough out the people, the amount of, we're in the 7th month, people, and over 700 people lose them life already. Over 700 people lost their life in Jamaica by gun violence. I mean, not even put the car accident them. We net about 300 that gone. So that's about 1,000 people already lost them life. I mean, I talk about the unknown one them where them not even solve it and stuff like that. I mean, not even put them in. We just talk about what me see them a promote right now. About 700 people dead, man. Them think they go drive people away from the island, man, and don't want to come back there. Towards them see them things there. Like yesterday, me I talked to 2 girls. Them from, I think they're Spanish girls, yeah. And me I tell them, say, yeah, there's a nice opportunity to invest in Jamaica. And the girl, them say, you know what them first thing say? Them say, but upon the crime rate, it's so bad. And they're from Ecuador. They're like, Ecuador's bad, but I think Jamaica is worse. I'm scared if I go there. That's what the girl them saying, people. So all this crime rate I draw with people from not want to come to the country. Alright, that's why now boom, the country all get licked. Because I remember in Jamaica, mostly live off of tourism, you know. And then if people don't want to come to the country no more, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? The crime and violence will get higher because the money not spent in the country. You have to look upon that, you know, people. So no need, me don't know. If you don't have no bad man friend and bad man family, cousin or whoever mix up in a bad, send them the video, yeah, man. Talk to them. Make me talk to them then. Because it's just going to make the country look bad. People not going to want to go to my people, man. I talk to some people say them, I talk Jamaicans from here, people. So them not go back to the country there, you know. Them rather go buy in a Jamaica Republic or somewhere else and do them investment. Some people over here, them not even want to touch a plane for go back to Jamaica, no much people. So no, I will never go there to build again. I say people them stay, you know, man. People are say, bro, them send them money, go down there and them family rob up them money. So then say they now come back down there. And then say if they come back down there, what them go do? Then say they go straight to resort and them not tell nobody even people. People them book them flight and then go straight to resort. And then not tell nobody say them in the country. Then say they not bring nothing for nobody. Because the people just make them have a bad, left a bad taste on their mind, brother. You understand? And that's sad. Because me just feel a way about it. So that's why I come here and I talk about it, man, my people. It's sad, man. Sad way for people to think, man. Can't do them things to the people and expect people to go on to come back at the island. When I mash up Jamaica, brother, now mash it up right badly. Right bit, now mash it up, my people. That's not going to be a good look, man. You understand? So I have to think about that, man, my people. Don't mash up. I want Jamaica with having a people. Yeah, me say when some people talk about Jamaica people. People are like, yes, man, Jamaica the best Caribbean island. The best food. The best girls. I saw. Then get Jamaican props and praising the people. And then just down there and mash up the place, man. Me say, as soon as me done this Airbnb house project, the amount of people link me already from Toronto want to support the project. To stay there when it's done. To show you, you know, people. Certain people to get a little bit darker just because of the lighting. And I want tree me there. I mean, I walk from the sun now. So a backlighting right now, you understand? So everything about lighting again with them look gimbal that me I use, you know? I want to show you place them to my people. But yes, man, my people. So right now we're out on the lake side. So from the park view. You have boats them come out and stuff like that. Yeah, man, my people, like, if you have money, man, you don't want to leave Toronto, you know, man. I'm telling you that straight, you know, people. If you don't have money, my people, you don't want to leave Toronto, man. They'll be nice over here, so all you want is some money. That's all you want, my people, is some money. And you'll be fine, okay. Look how the place beautiful, my people. Watch that. Yeah, man, you buy a local boat and stuff like that, my people. And you're good to go. If I have money, I buy one of them boats, you can, like me say. I want one in Jamaica too. That. Yes, man, my people. All them there about $1,000. About $1,000 for rent them things per hour and them people. Yes, man, a big business then there summertime, man. For the month, you probably like me call it $30,000-$40,000. Half of your boat. You understand? So I want to save up my money and buy one too. When I do up my project them. And one of them they have to be good in Jamaica too. But yeah, man, when people just think about the crime rate and they think about the crime places before you buy a land, you know, my people. Now come off attack it too much no more. I mean, I really make the video too much longer than this. But all I try to say, and just be safe out there, my people. Think first. Go to Jamaica, drive around, ask questions. Don't go and just go buy anywhere, people. You lose your money and you will lose your life. You understand? So don't do that, my people. So the place, my people. Yes, no, man. I'm not taking no time, I'm not rush. House thing is not a rushing thing, like me say. Me da rush mine look a bit because I want if you get done in a certain period of time. But Father God still make it go so. Still have to wait. Because Jamaican time, people them work on Jamaican time, you know. That may make you know. So when you think of one project, it will take you 3 months. By the time you're going to take you 6 to 7, 8, probably 2 years and it's still not done. One thing will take you 3 months. Yes, my people, so them deal with the project them down there, man. I not lie. I not lie at all. Because me remember me down there, you know, me buy land, cast up house, roof and everything in less than 3 months. Because you know why? I was there, my people. You understand? Soon as I come back to a place, I build up a 1 bedroom upstairs. Oh, the 1 bedroom tell me say about almost 7, 8 months now. And the 1 room can't done, my people. You understand me? I try to say, my people. So, please make sure you go there and build. And you see where your money is spending. Go ask questions, drive around to hardwares, get your own quotation them. So even when you come back now, my people, you know you get the hardware number them too. So right that's over there, the local lighthouse thing, emergency for the boats them. So this is from a different view right now, my people. Yes, no man. The next boat they are run a go out there now. Yeah, man. You know. If you don't want more videos like this, my people, no, just let me know, you know, man. If you don't want more videos like this, just let me know. I will get them to you, you know, my people. That's about it. I just walk and drink my 1 little juice and get a video done. Go home, go edit it, show it. You understand, my people? Thing is not easy still now, people, if you're just talking to a camera. So may I ask them for just please like, share and subscribe. You understand? Show my point of view of life. Show my point of view of building a house in Jamaica, or trying to move back to Jamaica, or buy or invest in an Airbnb property. Okay, my people, share your friends them, man, and your family them. Don't make the crime rate stop you know, from building. Because what you know, people. And we're back again with people. So just imagine this now, people. You are going to say you're going to wait until the crime rate gone down. By the time you wait till the crime rate gone down in Jamaica, I'm sorry for you know. Because any land we left back gone, you know, and I'm going to sell them the sky high now, you know. Because now everybody are going to buy up. You understand? Don't wait for the crime rate to go down. Just go look for your land, my people, and buy a piece of land. If you have to just sit down and hold on the land, you sit down and hold on the land, my people. But don't make the crime stop you from buying a piece of land over this. That me make you know, my people. Go buy it in a nice area. We know too much crime there, and if you're not ready to build it, you just left it there. A your land, you pay your land tax on it, and you have your title. You block it round then. You put up your wall. You send it, you go down there year time, and if a 200 block you can buy, you put up 200 block. You buy your sand, your cement, gravel, steel. And you pay a man and you and the man do it then. Simple as that. And block around the wall. Block around your land. You understand? So by the time now you ready to build the wall, it did build already. And you see if you can even put all a tent in that and go sleep there because what? It's your land. You understand? So don't wait. And say you wait till the crime rate go down and this and that. Crime rate now wait for nobody, you know, my people. Jamaican government no matter try fight it so hard. You understand? And it's still hard. And still no look like it's a good uncle, like me say. Within the 7 months and 700 people die by gun violence, gun attack. So, we not see no sight right now where it will get better in the people. But you can't wait. You understand? You can't wait, my people. Just buy a piece of land like me say and get moving on your project. If you down the line, who knows? The same land there, you know. Because remember, land go up every month, you know. Every year, you know. So the same land you buy for $5 million. In the next 10 years, about $10 million that you look on are all more, you know, people. Depends on the year, right, you know. And imagine if you all build a house and thing. Good investment money, like me say. Crime rate, me believe so the crime rate soon drop dramatically in Jamaica. So don't sit down and wait so you wait on crime rate to go down. No wait. Go and buy a piece of land and get it moving. You understand? But that's just my take care, man, my people. And like me say, we did the Scarborough Bluffs. Just showing her around too. And just have a little talk with you, you know. On the Monday morning, you know. Monday evening right now. Please again, my people. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. Please. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers soon. We're not even reach 100 yet, but it'll go up. We have to thank Father God for where it's coming from 0 or 3 subscribers before I started them videos here, my people. You understand? So I want to share the video them, man, my people. Like them up and share them, my people. Comment, leave your opinion. Because this is my own opinion, my people. You understand? My channel is just for me. My opinion. You can state your opinion in the comment section. Reason, because we have a talk. You understand? I just say it look, man, my people. That, man, my people. You understand? I'm bless up, you know. And have a safe week out there. The work week just start again. And we're out there again, my people. You understand? Like I say, please like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, my people. That. Peace. I'm out.